In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Facebook Metapixel to your Wix website step by step. This is essential if you're running Facebook or Instagram ads and want to track conversions, optimize your campaigns, and understand exactly how visitors interact with your site. The best part is that Wix makes this process very simple, even if you're a beginner. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow website and marketing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where all your websites are listed. Choose the website where you want to install the Facebook Metapixel and open its dashboard. This is where all the main settings and tools for your site are located. Next, look at the left-hand menu in your Wix dashboard and click on Settings. This section controls everything related to your site configuration, including SEO, domains, analytics, and marketing tools. Once the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the option called Marketing Integrations and click on it. Inside Marketing Integrations, you'll see a list of different tools and platforms that Wix can connect with. Look for Metapixel and CAPI. This is the official integration that allows Wix to connect directly with Facebook, now known as Meta. Click on Metapixel and CAPI to continue. On the Metapixel and CAPI page, you'll see information about tracking events like page views, purchases, and leads. To start the connection process, click on the Connect button. Wix will now guide you through linking your Facebook account. At this stage, a pop-up window will appear asking you to log in to your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you log in with the Facebook account that manages your business manager and ad accounts. Once logged in, Facebook will ask you to grant Wix permission to access your business assets. Carefully review the permissions, then click Continue or Allow to proceed. After that, you'll be prompted to select your Facebook Business Manager account. Choose the correct business, then select the Metapixel you want to connect to your Wix website. If you don't already have a pixel created, Facebook will give you the option to create a new one during this process. Once the pixel is selected, Wix will automatically handle the installation for you. You don't need to copy or paste any code manually. Wix will also enable Conversions API, or CAPI, which helps improve tracking accuracy by sending data directly from your server to Facebook. After the connection is complete, you'll see a confirmation message in Wix. To double-check everything is working, you can go to your Facebook Events Manager and look for incoming events like page view. It may take a few minutes for data to start appearing, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. And that's it. You've successfully connected the Facebook Metapixel to your Wix website. This setup will help you track conversions, build custom audiences, and run more effective ad campaigns. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.